Hello, guys. You're welcome once again to my YouTube channel. I am Blessed Innocent. I believe Facebook and their ban and restrictions is one phase that every marketer and advertisers out there will always face. Yes, at one point of your business or the other. Yeah. So before we dive in, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button and to hit the notification bell so that YouTube will be showing you my new uploads whenever it is being sent to my YouTube account. You will be the first to be notified because you have partnered with us, and it's going to be a great privilege for me to always feed you guys with the right information that you need. Yes, because your subscription to me is of value and I won't joke with it. So please don't forget to subscribe and smash that notification bell, and also comment down. I will reply to you immediately, effectively. So without further ado, let's dive into the topic for today. I have this Facebook account and that was banned. I think these two ad accounts you're seeing here, they were banned for no reason. This one was banned for no reason. This other one was banned for I don't know the reason, but that's a bygone. What we are going to be dealing on in this video is when your account is disabled, how do you then remove? Because Facebook introduced a new settings that helps us to run out of the iOS 14 update when it was newly launched. Apple owners enabled their users to be able to reduce or stop any ads from coming to their phone on permission, meaning every ad that is being shown on any Apple phone, know that the owner of that phone has permitted that ads. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So that is what the iOS 14 brought to play, and you know that majority of phone users, there are much of iPhone users rather, but they cannot be compared to the level of iPhone users you have in the United States. It reduced Facebook algorithm from sprawling more as it usually used to be. Now the domain we have saved in our ad account, how do we remove it? Because once Facebook disables your account, just as you're seeing right here, even when you go back to your event manager, my dear friends, that platform is also going to be disabled. And as the platform is disabled, let's create a new tab for it. As the platform is disabled, you cannot remove your, look at it right here, it's shown, you won't be able to access it, right? So what I'm going to be showing you in this video is how to access this platform, so you'll be able to remove your domain. So that is what we are going to be doing in this video. Okay guys, the next thing now is you copy this link, which I'm going to place down the description section below. You copy, then you go back to the browser. Now this is where we came from. If you come down to this left alt toolbar, click on it. If you right click on event manager, I've already opened it. It will bring you straight down to this environment, all right, that you're tackling with. Now what you have to do is, you don't use here, you just open a new tab, you paste that link I gave you, because we can't work on the event aggregation from this area. We can remove our domains from this area. This is an old account. It's a very old account. I was even surprised I saw it. I had to search for it courtesy of this tutorial, so we can work on that. So let's open a new tab. Now what you have to do is you come back to the event that you just opened, that we opened. I've already opened it already for you guys. You copy the ID. That's all you copy. Just copy the ID. When you copy the ID, then you paste it in the both areas where you see the ID as well, on the new link I gave you guys, on this code I gave you guys. You just paste that ID right here in the two areas. Then you can now click enter. It will automatically take you down to the area we're looking for. Let's wait for it to load. We are trying to remove our domain from the aggregation settings we did. And mind you, after then, I believe you guys would have been struggling with your domain, your website, not being able to be deleted from the business settings, right? which is this environment right here. I've already opened it. If you notice, mine is verified. So if you come here to delete it, it will tell you it can be deleted. So this is the area we're looking for now. Boom. If you notice, this is where the aggregation setting is. Okay, now that it is open, once we're right here, what we have to do next is we have pasted the ID responsible right after pasting the code. Then we'll come to the dashboard and we right click, go to inspect. We are trying to make these two domains right here clickable. That is our aim. All right, then now we right click, a code section will appear. If your code section, this particular section is close to this point, all you need to do is to place your cursor here and just drag it down, your cursor on this area and just drag it down so you can have space. A section of codes will appear over here. So let's wait for it to appear a little bit. Okay, and I believe it should be up right now. It should be up. Yeah, it's up layer. The first layer is automatically highlighted. Then all you need to do is to click on it and click delete. Automatically it takes you to the next div layer, meaning it takes you to this next layer that is following the first one you deleted. Instead of deleting the second layer, always come down here to confirm if the domains are clickable. So we are clickable for delete. All right, so since it's not yet clickable for delete, you come back here, click the div and you delete the code. Automatically it takes you to the next layer, which is this. Then we bring your cursor. Before you delete this, please bring your cursor here to confirm if it's clickable, because that's our aim before we delete the whole area and start afresh. Now since it's not yet clickable, you come back to the code, click on it and you tap delete on your keyboard. It takes you to the next layer. Instead of deleting this next div code, you just come back here and confirm if it's clickable. We notice it's not clickable yet, then we'll also delete it. We delete it, and instead of deleting the next one, be careful, you come back here and confirm if it's clickable. It's not yet clickable, you notice, then you go back there. Automatically it takes you to the next layers that follows the previous one. Then you delete it. Automatically it takes you to the next one. Notice it's not yet clickable. We have to continue deleting until we are there. We are not okay, we are there now. All right, if you notice, when I clicked on this verified domain, this is the first one. When I click on verified domain, that domain is already outdated. So when we click on verified domain, we notice it's clickable. If you come down here and click on it, you see that there's a section that came up. This one said you must verify your domain, blah blah blah, before you can edit, but that's not what we're going for. Let's go for the first one. Click on the first one. As you click on the first domain, which is this, then you come down to manage domain. All right, you can equally delete this coding because I believe we are done with it. And mind you, if you refresh this page, this whole thing goes back to normal. You click this code and close it so we can have space to do our work. Now when we click on the first domain we want to work on, you click on manage event. I believe that's what is written down there, and you click on manage event. Automatically it takes you to this environment. You know how it is. You click on edit. Now when you click on edit, it takes you to the aggregation you already set. What do you now do? You know how to work on this environment. I believe you now take your cursor and drag this scroll bar to the point where you can now exit it, and once you delete it, they will automatically take it off. But remember that there's always a save in this section. So as I deleted it, it is gone, but it's not totally gone. So what I have to do, what I normally do is, in my own system, I use my tab key to search for either save or apply. That is one of the statements they normally bring out. So I use my tab arrow key on the keyboard to search for it. Boom, it's appeared. I think that should be apply, yes, because once deleted, you have to apply the deletion. So it will be what's permanent. Then you apply. Once you apply, they will ask you, do you want to blah, 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 blah. Yes, I understand that I am deleting all events from this domain. You click on it, then you just apply again. And boom, your domain is deleted. You have successfully changed event configuration. Are you seeing it? Now you can now say okay and go back. You can now go back. If you notice, you won't find it here anymore. Okay, it's still here, but it is deleted. Actually, your aggregation is out. Your aggregation is out of this place. If you come back here, you're not going to see it. Come back here, you won't see it. It's out of this place. You understand? So that is that. If I go back now, it's to take us to the our event dashboard. So let's just go back to our business settings where our domain is registered. You can now remove it from here, because I believe previously you were unable to remove your domain from this environment, but now once you click on remove, you can now remove it. and that is it. Boom, it's off. And now you can now successfully use your domain for another advert or whatsoever you want to use it for. So far it's on Facebook platform. You are now free to enjoy your domain instead of being stuck with creating different websites or different landing pages for your businesses. Just do this little trick and you save yourself that stress, and also save your business and save your website from being, will I say, stolen? I know I load my voice, but not stolen anyways. Facebook knows why they brought out these settings, and I believe it's for their own benefit and also the benefit of the system. Yes, I believe there's always a reason for any action being taken. So that is that. I believe you guys have found value in this video. Please, if you know you did, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and also comment. If you have any question, you're free to ask me anytime. I will reply you ASAP. All right. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. All right. God bless you. See you same time next week.